The Smart Slide system is an auto-reciprocation system for top drives. It is becoming a much-needed part of drilling operations. Many operators want to drill further horizontal sections to increase productivity in their wells. The Smart Slide system provides a precise, automatic way of doing this by reciprocating the drill pipe to reduce downhole friction, thus allowing the operators to reach the required depths to maximize potential returns on their investment. Drilling function. As you can see, we have already selected the forward and reverse settings to read 360 degrees. This will command the top drive to rotate one turn in forward, then back to the neutral position, and then one turn in reverse, and again back to the neutral position. This will continue until the operator pushes the stop button. Bump function. In this case, we are going to bump or change the neutral point of the rotation forward by 45 degrees. Notice where the red arrow lands. This will be the new neutral point of the reciprocation. The operator can now steer the bit while drilling down. Zero function. When the operator decides to stop the operation, the top drive will always be commanded to go back to its neutral position before coming to a complete stop.